Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create a very easy everyday makeup look using the Colourpop's Mulan collection. And if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe as well. Let's get started. The first color that we're going to use out of this palette, and let me just say, this palette is so pretty. The packaging, the red and the gold, it is so pretty to me. And I have to try my hardest to keep this clean because we know that I'm really bad with makeup boxes and packaging, and yeah, so I'm gonna try. The first color is gonna be Imperial, and it is this shade right here. It's like a nude tan color, and that's gonna be the transition shade. Because this is gonna be a easy everyday look, I'm only gonna use one brush, maybe two. The first brush, of course, is gonna be the Morphe M573 brush. Absolutely love this brush. So that's the brush that we're gonna use to apply Imperial. I almost said Emperor. Imperial. With the easy everyday look, you don't want to have to grab so many brushes to apply your makeup. If you have one good brush, trust me, that's really all you need. But it has to be one good brush that blends well and grabs the product for you. For the second shade, same brush, we're gonna use the color Legacy. And I didn't show you guys what the inside of this palette looks like, and it is so pretty as well. Oh my goodness. I should have bought two of these. One, do not touch, and the other to use. But the second shade is called Legacy, and it's this brown, has a little bit of gold sparkles in it, but I'm pretty sure you won't be able to see it. It's this brown shade right here, and that's going to be our second shade. It's going right under Imperial. And this one does have a lot of fallout in the pan, in the box, but I personally don't care, but I just wanted you guys to know. Now, because I wanted to create a easy everyday eye look, there will be no cutting of the crease today. Can you believe that? I'm not cutting a crease. I just wanted to make it easier for us. We're going back to work. Everything is starting to open up, and sometimes cutting a crease can take a little bit of time, and right now we had time but don't have time anymore. So I wanted to make this very easy. We are going to use a different brush, the Morphe M506 brush, which is this small brush right here. And I'm also going to take a little bit of setting spray to wet this brush to apply the third shade. The third shade is called Legacy, and it's this shiny burgundy color right here. And I'm gonna wet the brush. Well, I'm gonna spray the brush with a little bit of e.l.f. setting spray. It's pretty much what I always use. And this one also has a little bit of fallout, but like I said, it doesn't bother me at all. Now for the inner corner of the eye, I'm gonna mix two shades. I'm gonna use a little bit of Brave and a little bit of Fighter, which this is Fighter and this is Brave. And we're gonna mix those two shades together. We're still gonna use the small fluffy M5 just okay. We're still going to use the Morphe M506 brush, fluffy brush, and I'm gonna spray it just a little bit, and I'm gonna go between those two shades, Fighter and Brave. Okay, so the shades that I used above, I'm gonna also use them below. And I'm gonna use the Morphe E36 brush, which is this brush right here. It's just a small fluffy brush. And I'm gonna use Legacy first. And as I explained before, the reason why I like using really, really small brushes under here is because a lot of these shades do have warnings that they're not meant to be close to the eye area. Listen to that. So get as close as possible without damaging your eye. How about that? Then I'm going to take a little pointy Q-tip and just kind of, because I like it to look like liner under there, so I'll smooth out my lines. Alright, so trying to be creative, I came up with this idea that I was going to use the Urban Decay's 24/7 eyeliner pencil in Alkaline, which is this burgundy color. But that wouldn't make it an easy everyday look. So I did it on this eye, and then I had to go back in and apply black liner. So now I have to do it on this eye, which I did do, and now I have to go in and apply black liner over the burgundy that I used. Otherwise it wouldn't balance out. You'll probably be looking and saying, okay, well, this eye looks darker than this eye. Why is that? Now you know. The eyeliner that I'm going to use is still the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof 16-hour eyeliner. I still love this one, and it's like, I think I spent $7 for this, maybe $8. And it lasts just as long as a $15, $16 eyeliner. I mean, I've bought those as well, but I'm just saying, like, we're on a budget right now, so this Wet n Wild eyeliner is very good. And this is the one I'm going to use today. I'm going to get kind of quiet because, well, you know what? I probably won't mess up because I already have this eyeliner on there and I'm just putting this black one on top of it. So if I mess up this time, y'all need to laugh at me for real. In the comments, y'all just need to be like, you know, give eyeliner up altogether. I'm not, but it's okay to say that. Maybe I'll try this with a blue and then a black on top of it to see what it looks like. You can still see peaks of the burgundy, but that's okay. I bet you guys know what mascara I'm going to use. The Smashbox Super Fan. Hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I love this mascara. I love it. I love it. So we know I'm going to use it. It's just so hard. Once you find something that works for you, you kind of always gravitate towards using it because it just works. For blush, I'm using Matchmaker, and it also is with the Mulan collection. It's this color right here. And then for lip gloss, I'm using Phoenix. It has a little phoenix on it. It's so cute. And it's like a iridescent gold color. And this is the finished look. I'm sending you guys lots of love. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye.